Your vehicle may be equipped with an adjustable pedal system. This feature is designed to allow a greater range of driver comfort by moving the brake and the accelerator pedals either closer to you or further away. Use the adjustable pedal control switch to move the pedals up or down. The pedals can be adjusted with the ignition off and while driving. Please refer to the instruction manuals on the Owner's Information DVD or ramtrucks.com/owners for complete details and other important safety information.